My name is Elena Gubanova. I'm an artist and curator of CYLAND MediaArtLab, and I want to say some words about installation time density made with my husband, Ivan Govorkov, together. We worked together during 40 years. Uh, this installation dedicate my father, astronomer, Vadim Gubanov. Famous Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kozyrev proposed the hypothesis that time has density that change depending on nature processes. In his experiment with torsion balances, he demonstrated processes with decreasing entropy, such as plant growth and warmth, reduce the density of time, as if absorbing it. At that same time, processes with increasing entropy, like loud sounds or the decay of matter, enhance the density of time around them, seemingly emitting it. Although his hypotheses have not been confirmed by the scientific community, they still resonate with supporters worldwide. Our project is an artistic interpretation of Kozyrev experiments. On the floor, we place the screen with video of clouds and influence the movement of the minute hand on the clock. Light clouds symbolize processes that decrease entropy, slowing down the hand as if absorbing time, while dark gaps accelerated it, representing an increase in time density under entropy. Next to the screen is a set of torsion balances, referencing Kozyrev experiments and creating an image of the interaction between time and entropy. Thank you very much.